two giants in the developer platform world, Base44 and Replit, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Base44, designed for top-tier code collaboration and AI-driven workflows. On the right, Replit, built for instant cloud coding and seamless deployment. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, so here's our game plan. We're comparing Base44 and Replit across 6 key areas: target users, AI app generation and workflow, collaboration and community, deployment and hosting, pricing and user experience, and learning curve. So stick around and let's get into it. Alright, let's kick it off with target users. Base44 is built for folks who don't really code much, non-coders, startups, even product managers and business teams, right? You want to whip up an MVP fast, maybe a slick prototype or a custom business tool. Base44 is your friend. But if you want to do some wild, custom code magic, you might hit a wall. Now, Replit. You're looking more at learners, solo devs, hobbyists, and those small teams ready to just sling code live. Real-time multiplayer coding, collaborative projects, all that. But if you're allergic to code or just want drag and drop, it's got a steeper learning curve. Honestly, both platforms really nail their audience, so it's a tie for this round. Now let's chat AI app generation and workflow. Base44's real party trick: just type your business idea in human words and bam, it builds a full-stack app. It gives you databases, sign-in, and even analytics automatically. You barely lift a finger, though if you're an advanced dev, you might wish for deeper customization. Replit, alternatively, has a killer AI coding assistant. Ghostwriter, Claude, and even GPT-4 are in the stack. That means you code faster, squash bugs, refactor live, but it's definitely code-heavy. If you're after pure zero-code magic, Base44 takes this one. On to collaboration and community. Base44 does support teaming up on business apps and plugs into product workflows, which is decent. But honestly, if you want huge community vibes, Replit wins hands down. It's got a massive developer crowd, real-time multiplayer coding, live deployments. You're always learning and tinkering with others. Only thing, those shared cloud setups can sometimes tie your hands for deep backend work. But if collaboration fuels your projects, Replit's the star performer here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Base44 can take your wild business idea from zero to an actual working web app in just minutes? You don't even have to write a single line of code, seriously. Meanwhile, if you love languages, Replit lets you deploy and run code in over 50 straight from your browser. That's pretty wild. Deployment and hosting. Base44 bundles cloud hosting automatically and lets you push MVPs or business tools live literally in minutes. The advanced hosting options might get tricky, but it's instant and easy. Replit, on the flip side, gives you quick launch deployments in the cloud, plus flexible scaling and pay-as-you-go if you need it. If you want to go deep on backend stuff, things can get complicated. Both make launching an app super straightforward, so this one's another tie. Let's talk pricing and what's actually in your wallet. Base44 gives you a free plan, 25 messages a month, but after that it's $20 a month for starter and $200 for elite. Not bad until you run into those usage caps. Active projects might feel a pinch. Replit's free tier is actually pretty generous, and if you want all the bells and whistles, it's $25 mo for core or $40 per user for teams, including some serious AI credits. But yeah, premium features mean you'll have to pony up for a subscription. Still, Replit comes out ahead on affordability and free perks. Finally, user experience and learning curve. Base44 is all about simplicity, clean interface, no clutter, and made for folks who never want to touch code. It's super easy to onboard if you're not an engineer. Of course, if you crave fine control, you might find it a little, limiting. Now Replit, here's the thing: you get a rich, interactive coding IDE right in your browser, tons of templates, and you can code in 50+ languages. But yeah, if you're brand new or a non-coder, there's a barrier to entry. So for pure ease of use, Base44 is the clear winner. Just to recap, here's how these two stack up visually across the board. You'll notice Base44 shines with pure ease of use and AI automation, while Replit absolutely dominates community, developer tools, and scalability. So who's this for? Base44 is absolutely the move for business teams or entrepreneurs who want to go from idea to app, no code and no drama. Replit. That's your playground if you love to code, want to collaborate and geek out with AI superpowers. Your call depends on one big question: are you trying to skip the code or do you actually love writing it? If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.